speakers, honorable members, I have news, and it is not very good news. Our financial situation is not very good. For Kenya to grow to an upper income country, we need to invest at least 25% of our GDP. Our current national savings is below 10% of our GDP, which translates to an investment savings deficit of 15% of our GDP. Over the last decade, we have sought to close this gap with public borrowing. This year alone, we budgeted to borrow $900 billion to finance both development and recurrent expenditure. You're all aware that our total collection is $2.1 trillion, which is only enough to pay debt and to pay salaries. Everything else, we have to borrow.